I will have to join in Forever. So I join in Forever, and I think Forever is the best. You have to do this. You have to do this, and you can do it. I am sure that you can do it. You will have to join Forever, and you have to spend 1 year, and you have to hard work in 1 year. Then you will get success. This is my guarantee. Decision is yours and choice is yours. You have to be confident. Sorry,
So
sir.
you are saying the person who will do this, he or she has to be very confident.
Very confident.
Because without confidence, nothing is possible. You
Nothing.
know that. So guys, our today's topic is about the network marketing. What is our today's topic? Today's topic is network marketing. And you know that Mr. Ratanu is working in network marketing. So Mr. Ratanu, will you share with us what network marketing is?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you confident?
Yes, sir.
But remember one thing, you have to speak in English.
Yes, sir.
Because our topic is English conversation. And I am giving you a topic, network marketing. So you have to describe in English. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Will you tell?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this topic. Actually, first we will have to know that what is network. Network mean we used Facebook, Instagram, some any social media apps. So network marketing is network plus marketing. We will have to use network, and then we will have to sell the products of an industry. So network marketing gives us these opportunities that we will build our career, we will get money, much money, we will get much money, and we will get our future a luxury lifestyle. We will get our future luxury lifestyle.
Luxurious lifestyle.
Luxurious lifestyle.
You can continue.
Okay, so actually I worked in Forever. Actually, if I am saying you can search in Google that what is the best business opportunities on the world. Then you will see that Forever Living product is the best business opportunities on the world. So I worked in the world.
Okay.
In the world. And I have been working here for 5 months, and I get my ID. Recently I get my ID, and I had attended 4th webinar of this Forever industry. And if every person join Forever, then they will have to pay a high price of money. Actually, network marketing means we will have to make our business, and Forever gives us these business opportunities. I got these opportunities, and I accept it, and I join in Forever. And now my post is assistant supervisor, and after few days and after few days I will get my supervisor post. Then there are many posts, assistant manager post, every post. Then there are global post. Then you will get car like Mercedes, Fortuner, which name is Legender, and Scorpio. Every car you will get by Forever. And if a person join in network marketing, and absolutely if a person join in Forever, then I confidently told you that I am 100% sure that he will get success by Forever. And this is not a fake, this is a real, because I joined, and India's 1,50,000 people are working in Forever. Actually, in India, like Bihar, like Jammu, Assam, every areas people are working in Forever. And I got it by Instagram. I searched that any online job, any part-time job, then I will get this part-time job.
I got this part-time.
I got this part-time job.
Okay.
And thank you so much, sir. I got this part-time job, and I attended its webinars. Then I realized that if I want to get my success, then I will have to join in Forever. So I joined in Forever, and I think Forever is the best platform for me, and if a person thought that he did not achieve anything and he is lower, he or she is the lower person of the world or in the world, that I will told you that I will tell you that you have to do this. You have to do this and you can do it. I am sure that you can do it. If a person is interested, then they will absolutely call me and I will give you the proper instruction of network marketing. Network marketing is not a fraud business. This is a real. And Bill Gates told that if I will get a chance to build myself, then I will always choose in network marketing. And he told you that network marketing is good, but you have to choose that this is good for you. Because
choice now choose you have to choose.
Okay sir, you have to choose that network marketing is good for you, because there are a business plan and you will have to achieve this business plan. And then it actually, if I say you that we learn some formula, then we applied it in mathematics. So forever have many formulas. You have to learn it and then you will have to apply it in business. India forever is working 168 countries. Actually I am saying that if you search in Google, then you can see that forever, if you search that how many country forever is how many countries forever working, then you will see that 168 countries, and it is approved by our central government. It is approved. So I am telling you that I know that I will get success by forever. And if you interested and if you want to achieve your dream car, any dreams you want to achieve, then you will have to join forever, and you have to spend 1 year and you have to hard work in 1 year, then you will get success. This is my guarantee and this is my 100% guarantee. If you want to join in forever and interested in network marketing, then you can call me anytime. I am always here to attend a call, and I will give you the proper instruction and you will have to follow this instruction, then you will get your success. This is 100% sure. And if you will get success, then you did not give any part of your success. This is your success. So you are
saying that if anyone gets success, then he will not give the success.
Give the success. Yes sir. So this is his or her success. He or she will not give me this success. So you have to hard work, you have to confident, and you
have to be confident.
You have to be confident. Sorry sir.
You are saying the person who will do this, he or she has to be very confident.
Very confident.
Because without confidence nothing is possible.
Nothing.
You know that.
Yes sir.
Before doing anything we have to be very sure that we are confident to do this. Is it or not?
Yes sir.
Confidence ছাড়া তো কিছু হবে না।
No. If you are interested in network marketing, especially in forever, then you can contact me. My contact number is 8509305793. Anytime you can call me. Okay, so decision is yours and choice is yours, and you have to choose that what is right and what is wrong. I am saying you. So first choose, then apply. So thank you so much for giving me these opportunities. Thank you so much Suhinda for cooperate with me. Thank you so much.